Hey guys, this is Zach with Savage Traveling here in Pattaya, Thailand. We're going to take a stroll down Walking Street in the daytime, and there's nothing going on, but you can check it out anyway. You basically just people stocking the bars for the evenings. No, thank you. Guy's trying to sell me trips to the Tiger Park, which I don't do animal tourism. I don't think I've ever seen a tiger in real life, but I don't hang out in the jungle, so why would I? You know what I mean? It's nothing. Caged animals just has no appeal to me. But yeah, this is Walking Street in the daytime, guys. Like, doesn't even really look like what it does in the night. Sugar baby a go-go. A panda a go-go. Balls, basilisk. I don't know what that means. That says. Got Mimi. Fahrenheit a go-go. King Seafood and Moulin Rouge upstairs. There's usually a girl up there dancing on that pole right there in that glass window. Russian girls. Yeah, I figure we'll walk down here to the pier out here and just get a glimpse of as you see it. I don't even know how many bars and clubs, whatever you want to call them, go-go bars are down here. There's hundreds, I mean, at least. Glass House. Ginza a go-go. Lucifer Discotheque, home of a music cafe. That place is usually popping at night, like probably one of the crazier places around here, actually. At least from the last couple nights I've been here. Tantra go-go. Crazy House a go-go. Russian Showgirls Men's Strip Club, Exo Club, Istanbul Seafood, Speed Food, excuse me. Galaxy Russian Showgirls, which I find odd, but being we're not in Russia, you know what I mean? Harem Club. It's one of the bigger tourist groups is Indians now. And you get past here a certain point at night, and it's nothing but Indians. Like the latter half of this street is all just Indian clubs, Indian go-go bars, blah, blah, blah. Living Dolls Showcase, the ultimate a go-go. Linda Beer Bar. More bars. There's another tailor shop. Oh, that's not a suit place. Seems like they have like regular clothes in there. King Kebab. Maya Pattaya. Try not to get ran over. Here's my favorite place, the Hot Tuna Rock Bar. Live music every night of the week till 3 or 4 in the morning. Pretty cool spot. Beers are like 120 baht, little pricey, but it's about the going rate down on the strip here. There's Family Marts. There's a couple of them through here. So Honestly, you don't ever have to really drink at the bars if you don't want to. You can go into 7-Eleven, get you a beer, and just walk around and drink it. It's no big deal. You get a fair price that way. Because literally they do tax you in the bars here. At least on this street. I don't know about the rest of the city. I think they're a little less outside of this exact tourist area. See, there's Kama Indian Disco. Oh yeah. Seafood, fresh seafood. Old creepy Ronald, as my friends like to call him back home. The ultimate Russian girl bar. Crazy Russian girls. Crazy horse. There's a Russian girl. I think she works at one of the places, actually. That's the right spot. There's Raja Club. Western Brews, Nasha de Hati. I smell mango. Rasputin, Russian Club and Dining. I should have done that in a Russian accent. I screwed up, guys. I apologize. Siam Elephant Bar and Restaurant. Oh, that's a nice spot. You got Happy Singh Indian Restaurant, open 24 hours. Oh, there's the, see that giant condo they never finished? That condo is in the exact state. That's the first time I came here a year and a half ago. I don't think they were working on it then. They definitely aren't working on it now, I don't think. I just found this out too, like a few days ago, that you can go up and walk around the Pattaya Sign up there. There's like a walkway where you can see out across the city and such. I need to figure out how to get up there. There's a good view of the bay. Valhalla Pier, I believe is what it's called out there. Oh. Now they're measuring people over there for what reason? It's beyond me. I'm gonna walk down here and end this video, guys. Said I know it wasn't very exciting, but I'm sure somebody might be interested in that. I'll get up here, turn this camera off, cool off, and then head to my new room. I hope it's so cheap. I tried to go so budget this time. It's $8 and some odd cents a night for a private room. We'll see how it is. I booked it and then read the reviews, which it didn't have a bad review score, but guys, you just never know when you're talking $8 a night. You know what I mean? But, you know, we'll see. All right, guys, this has been Zach with Savage Traveling down here in Pattaya, Thailand. Took a little stroll down Walking Street and down here at the Bahalai Pier. So, once again, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you like this video. Hey, stay tuned for more. Peace.